That's good. I already broke it loose. Well, at least I thought it did. All right, now I broke it loose enough for me to hand turn it. Let's see what we have here. Come on. Thing must be fine thread. All right. All right. Honestly, I see something in there. What is that? Oh, a piece of silicone. All right. Oh, shot across, but I see it. I'll rescue it later. It's because I was holding this stupid phone. All right. Is there anything in here? Well, it's probably the nut. A little bit of shavings. Could be just breaking in shavings. I don't know how to make that clear. And let's see. Yeah, barely. Yeah, that's acceptable. All right, I'll try to get this. There we go. A little bit of RTV. Ooh. Oh, it's RTV. Nothing. Yeah, it's just RTV. I'll air that out. Well, that's good. What do we have in here? Cool. That's all it is, RTV stuff. Let's see if, of course you're gonna pick up because you're on the table. Nothing. Just the oil itself. I'll call that a success. Oh, let's go in here. A little bit of glitter, but hopefully it's just the break-in oil. I added a lot of zinc to it too. Very little sparkly stuff. Very, very little. Very mild. We'll put this in test mode. It's going to be an AFCS. No, 8. Oh my god. Wow, I brain dumped some stuff. Alright, well. FCF. Yep. Oh, magnet. Doing his job. Alright. Yeah, this is going to be an FCF status. And put some oil in it. Run it for about 10 hours. And then drain oil again.